By the end of this video, you will be able to walk up to a native speaker and have your very first Turkish conversation. We are going to build a personalized 6-line script that gives you the exact phrases required to meet someone new. To do this, you need to participate. Pause the video right now and grab a pen and a piece of paper. Writing this script out line by line puts the physical words in your hands, preparing you for a real-world interaction. We'll start with a blank interface and fill it in together. For line 1, write the universal greeting, Merhaba. Then, state your name using benim adım, followed by your own name. Immediately follow that by asking for their name. Add senin adın ne. This uses the informal word senin for your. For line 2, the other person will mirror that structure by replying benim adım and their name. Starting with this informal register helps build an immediate connection rather than creating distance with stiff formal language. Once names are exchanged, you move to the standard courtesy of a new introduction. Write memnun oldum for line 3. This is how you say, nice to meet you. The response for line 4 is ben de memnun oldum. In this phrase, the word de means to or also. Completing this exchange meets the basic social expectations of a Turkish introduction before you move on to more personal details. In step 3, you ask where they are from. Write nerelisin. To answer this question, use a 3-part formula: your country name, an origin suffix, and a personal ending. For example, if the country is Japan, you start with Japonya. Turkish uses vowel harmony, which means the last vowel in the country's name determines which suffix you use. Since Japonya ends with an A, we add the matching suffix l. This creates the word for a person from Japan. Finally, you add an ending that represents the word am to finish the statement. We add resulting in the single word Japonyalıyım. I am from Japan. The same logic applies to Germany. Almanya takes the l suffix and ending to become Almanyalıyım. Pause the video now. Look up your country's Turkish spelling, apply the formula, and write your personal origin statement as line 5. This modular system allows you to build specific identities on the fly without relying on a pre-memorized list of vocabulary. The final step is ending the encounter correctly. Turkish farewells change based on who is moving. If you are the person leaving the location, you say hoşça kal. If you are the person staying behind, your response is güle güle. If you are both leaving a neutral space at the same time, you can both say görüşmek üzere, meaning see you soon. Choosing the right farewell based on who is staying or going shows you understand the specific logic behind how Turkish speakers exit a room. This is your completed structure, showing the full sequence from your first greeting to a culturally accurate farewell. Here is the full conversation. Merhaba, benim adım Ali. Senin adın ne? Benim adım Murat. Memnun oldum. Ben de memnun oldum. Nerelisin? Japonyalıyım. Hoşça kal. Güle güle. Read your handwritten script out loud 3 times to build your pronunciation and muscle memory. If you find yourself in a professional setting, the video description includes instructions on how to swap these informal phrases for the formal siz register. That piece of paper in your hand contains everything you need to start. Step outside, find a native speaker, and put it to work.